Moving on, what's the next fruit you want to learn? Some healthy food, some healthy fruit. The thing that the influencer likes to post a lot, and I like them as well. Avocado. How to say avocado? 牛油果. Wow, that's a tricky one. That's a difficult one. But here we have a 果 at the end. Do you follow that? 果, which we talked about that at the very beginning. It means fruit. Okay, something fruit, which means avocado. All right, the first two, 牛. Now this is also which I personally call it a pouting sound. 牛油果. Now both of them you need to pout. I give you a hint how to remember 牛油果. There is another word also means 牛油果 in Chinese, which is 鳄梨. Now you can think about these two pronunciations. Which one is easier for you to remember? You can go with either. So I'm going to finish my explanation on 牛油果, this pronunciation first. So 牛油果, when you pronounce it, as I've just said, it's like a pouting sound. 牛油果. So this could perhaps help you to remember some influencers post their food with avocado sauce or just avocado on it and do a duck face. So that might help you to remember 牛油果. I don't know. It might just look silly. Another one, 鳄梨. I will talk about this. 鳄梨. So this is also easy for you to remember. I'll explain why. First, say the word Okay, I sound completely ridiculous right now. But there, in Chinese, this pronunciation also simplifies I'm hungry. But again, note, it's different characters, okay? 鳄梨, different characters. However, it has the same pronunciation, which helps you to remember. You'd be like, I want some avocado. Now, think about the shape of avocado. Does it look like pear? Avocado, pear. Looks similar, right? So, I'm going to tell you how to say pear in Chinese, which is, follow me, 梨. Sounds familiar? 鳄梨, 梨. So you can think about when you want to eat avocado, feel like a little bit hungry, you're like, oh, I want some avocado. And avocado looks like pear, so 鳄梨. So there you go, 鳄梨. This is my non-traditional Chinese course. 鳄梨. Alright, I'm just gonna mention a couple of more very quickly, okay? An apple a day keeps the doctor away, which is 苹果. Here's another 果 next to it. 苹果, right? 苹果. What are other fruits that you are commonly seeing? Banana. 香蕉. Now follow me. 香蕉. Okay? Alright. 葡萄. Pu Tao means grape. 葡萄. We have a tongue twister. 吃葡萄不吐葡萄皮儿，不吃葡萄倒吐葡萄皮儿。I once showed this to one of my online pen pal. I'm trying to learn Spanish right now. We're exchanging tongue twisters. I introduced this to him, and he's like, "Are you a rapper?" Anyway, that's gonna be something that you guys can practice in the future. It's very, very easy, okay? 葡萄. But first, let's learn 葡萄 first, so you can read the tongue twister someday in the future. 葡萄. Very good, 葡萄. Now the last one is also my personal favorite. 草莓. Strawberry. 草莓. Now, talking about strawberry, which literally means strawberry, 草莓, I want to mention blueberry. Guess how to say blueberry? 蓝莓. 蓝莓. Very good. Now, in the next episode, we're going to talk about colors. The blueberry, 蓝莓, blue is 蓝. And I'll see you next episode. Ta-da!